Offshore tax compliance has been in the forefront of the news for the past several years since the IRS first announced a series of offshore voluntary disclosure programs. We've also seen this in the news where the Department of Justice Tax Division has prosecuted foreign banks, bankers, and U.S. account holders for their failure to comply with the tax laws. If you want to participate in one of the offshore voluntary disclosure programs, it's important to work with an attorney who is familiar with the programs, an attorney who understands the rules of the current programs available today, and someone who has worked with the IRS with regard to the various procedures in each program. Our attorneys have that experience, regardless of whether you simply did not know you had an obligation to report offshore assets or entities, or you chose not to report those assets or entities and need the protections offered through these voluntary disclosure programs. Our attorneys are experienced in any type of offshore compliance case. We have helped hundreds of taxpayers nationwide and abroad with the offshore voluntary disclosure programs. We have also helped foreign financial institutions understand their reporting obligations to the United States concerning U.S. account holders. It's really because of the increased obligation of foreign financial institutions to report the assets and accounts of U.S. account holders that it's not so much a matter of whether the IRS will find out about an offshore account, but when. Our attorneys are very experienced in the area of offshore tax compliance. We work closely with our clients to determine the best strategy based on the facts of each client's case.